Hey everyone, if you would like to see how I created this gorgeous spring set, please continue watching. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So in this nail tutorial, I am going to be using Modelones gel nail polish, and they kindly sent me over this package. It has 24 gel nail polishes for me to review for you guys, so I'm just gonna go ahead and open up the package. And here's how it looks. So they have a product catalog here. Modelones has a lot of products. I've actually been using Modelones for a while now, and I really like their products. And I really appreciate the fact that, especially if you're a beginner, they are very affordable. They have very affordable pricing. But yeah, so this book just has some of the things that they have. They have dip powder kits and all that, so this is nice to have. And then it also has a manual here, so if you don't know how to use their gel polish systems, it gives you directions here on how to use it. And here are the gel polishes. So this does come with 24 gel polishes, and these are perfect spring colors, you guys. And something I really love about these gel polishes is it has the color on top, as you guys can see here. That's really helpful for when you're doing a client's nails or you want to make a nail set. You just go through and look, and then you can see the color right there on the top. So yes, I'm going to go through and show you guys all the colors that are included. And it also includes a base coat, a top coat, a matte top coat, and it even includes a nail primer. So with these 4 things, you guys have it all right here to do a full gel nail set, and you guys can make some really pretty sets with these. So let's go through the colors that you will receive if you guys wanted to pick up this product. So to start off with this set, I am going to be taking the base coat that comes in the kits, and it is the Modelones base coat, and I'm just going to be applying a thin layer of this over all the nails. Just what you're doing now. Baby, now we can close. Let's Now I'm going to be taking my Modelones color that also comes in the kit, and it's number 1496. and it's like such a gorgeous teal color. I think this color is perfect for springtime. And yeah, you guys, it was very hard to pick one color from this set because there's so many beautiful spring colors in that set. And after I was done creating this set, I think I want to make the same set in pink and that light yellow shade as well that's also in the set. I think that would be so pretty. Or you could even make this set with different like spring colors, like a pastel set. I think that would be gorgeous as well. So I am going to be using 2 layers of this gel polish as I always do. And look at that color payoff, you guys. That color is beautiful. That mint teal color is so gorgeous. And like I said, perfect for spring. And it's very pigmented, and I really like the way it goes on. It's not streaky. And yeah, you guys, I really just love this shade of gel polish. So I'm applying that over all the nails. Now here, you guys, I am going to be taking the Modelones matte top coat. This also does come with the Modelones gel kit, which is very handy and very convenient. And I'm just going to be applying this over all the nails. So this alone is a very beautiful set already. That color, the matte, is just so perfect. But with me, I like to add bling and charms to my nails. So because it is like a springtime set, I am adding this really big, beautiful butterfly. I believe I picked these up from AliExpress. I'm going to go ahead and link them down in the description if you guys are interested in purchasing these butterflies. And I also got just some little white flowers and rhinestones. And I'm just using regular nail glue to glue these on. And I'm just kind of gluing them on sporadically over the nails where I think they look good. And I don't know why, like the silver accent butterfly with this teal color in the background, the teal color of the nails just makes it really pop, and it looks so gorgeous. Like, I can't get over them. I'm obsessed with this set, you guys. So yeah, so I'm just going ahead and adding these little caviar beads, silver caviar beads, to the middles of the flowers. And I just wanted the set to be very like springtime. So these flowers give me like spring vibes. So I'm just going ahead and putting them over the nails. And then again, I'm just adding the silver caviar beads in the middle of them. And yeah, you guys, that's pretty much it after I'm done applying these flowers and the caviar beads. It's a super easy set. It's great for beginners. Thank you so much for watching. If you are interested in purchasing this Modelones kit, I will leave the link down below to it. Super gorgeous, you guys. I love the way this nail set came out. That color is stunning and beautiful. The matte top coat was really good as well. So if you're interested in purchasing this set, you guys, I will leave the link down below where you could purchase it from. And yeah, you guys, I will see you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.